You, the government, are not doing what was recently found out in any way. Nothing about this is what we had anticipated. An absolute change of direction. Everyone in the cryptocurrency world is bewildered and doesn't know what to do. However, this is merely the first step. Now, what exactly am I referring to? Please do not linger on this important video. It needs to be gotten to the point immediately. Of the wild trip that is the Bitcoin market, the events of today are quite fascinating. US, the latest negative day for Bitcoin and DEFs is the third in a row. Bitcoin, however, appears unconcerned by the declining trend, demonstrating its characteristic resiliency. Actually, it jumped by a whopping 11% today, and Shiba Inu did the same, jumping by more than 10%. However, the setting is what really grabs my attention in this news story. A tidal surge of purchasing demand flooding the crypto world with hundreds of millions of dollars was unleashed just lately with the acceptance of Bitcoin and TEFs. You may recall that this increase in demand was a major factor in Bitcoin's recent record high, which was above $70,000. Similar to previous instances, Shiba Inu and other altcoins rode the bullish wave, seeing a whopping 200% gain just 2 weeks ago. Shiba Inu seemed to have a very high level of responsiveness to Bitcoin's smallest movements, highlighting its mutually beneficial partnership with the cryptocurrency industry leader. Despite this narrative of upward momentum, the crypto market as a whole has been seeing a steady migration of funds out of the Bitcoin currency, which has been putting pressure on prices. Investors are worried as these outflows hit record highs in the last 2 days. The Shiba Inu ecosystem saw an interesting development during the current price falls. Someone among the Shiba Inu whales took a risk by buying more than 300 billion tokens. At the token price it is now, this purchase is worth more than $8.6 million. Even though the cryptocurrency market had been falling for some time, it surprised everyone today. Even if the Bitcoin ETF had large withdrawals again, the cryptocurrency market surged nevertheless. However, you may be wondering why, given the massive outflow from the Bitcoin ETF, the cryptocurrency market surged. I love that question. I can think of a number of explanations. One issue, though, is that the cryptocurrency market isn't what it once was. The first is the spread of speculation that a spot Ethereum ETF could be approved in May of 2024. Just like the Bitcoin ETF, these rumors have been going around as various filings are being revised, leading up to their final acceptance. Even the reasoning is straightforward. The first is the enormous buying pressure that has been building up over the last 2 months, all thanks to the Bitcoin ETF. Now picture that pressure expanding as the Bitcoin ETF is introduced. The second is that the crypto market will have to cope with a massive withdrawal from the Bitcoin ETF in May 2024. This scenario is exciting for investors and market players because it implies a substantial injection of money into a crypto space, which will further fuel its upward trajectory. However, the market was caught unawares by a surprising development just as expectations were reaching a crescendo due to the impending launch of an Ethereum spot ETF. It was a surprising action by the SEC, apparently issuing a slew of subpoenas to businesses that are trying to classify Ethereum as property. The Sachs investigation into the Ethereum Foundation, which began on March 23rd, may lead to Ethereum being listed as a security, according to a recent Fortune story. As the foundation dropped hints that it was being investigated, speculation heated up. Afterwards, the SEC served subpoenas on numerous US-based businesses, requiring them to turn over financial records and documents related to their interactions with the Ethereum Foundation. Crypto fans are understandably worried by this new development, with many viewing the SEC as a potential security risk. Acts taken by the SEC in an effort to derail Ethereum. Is it time to formally label Ethereum as a security? It might be a problem for the highly anticipated Ethereum ETF, which could put its approval at risk. The effort to categorize Ethereum by the SEC seems to be gathering steam, especially after 2022, when the blockchain switched from proof of work to proof of stake. The future of Ethereum is clouded by regulatory scrutiny, which makes the recognition of an Ethereum ETF seem less likely. But this is only the start. The crypto realm is already very intriguing, and this new development just adds to it. The already unclear regulatory climate has taken a turn for the worse with the involvement of powerful political players. This letter has the ability to influence the future of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that are vying for ETF status. Just a moment, though. Earlier today, it came to light that BlackRock, a prominent figure in the financial industry, put $100 worth of BlackRock USD institutional digital liquidity into an Ethereum contract token offering. Nevertheless, this disclosure causes others to wonder and doubt. Nothing makes sense. If there were major worries about Ethereum's regulatory status, why would BlackRock, with its vast resources and knowledge, keep developing projects on the Ethereum blockchain? Because of this confusing position, Some people in the crypto world think that BlackRock might be interested in Ethereum. But that's not all there is to it. Those with vested interests in manipulating market behavior sow seeds of doubt, uncertainty, and fear. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD spreads quickly, which causes investors to respond negatively, which in turn causes panic selling. On the other hand, the response of the true industry heavyweights is what really piques my curiosity. Big players usually don't get scared when the rest of us sell our holdings in response to fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD. They are able to tune out the distractions and identify the FUD immediately. Outlandish conjecture meant to expose frailty, but the true participants consistently emerge victorious. Despite the fact that most people sell at the first sign of trouble, these big players keep their cool and make decisions based on solid fundamentals, which allows them to come out on top in trades. They have faith in the market's long-term prospects. However, this matter will only become clear with the passage of time. The entire cryptocurrency market, including Shiba Inu, might be pushed to new heights if an Ethereum ETF were to be approved soon, which could cause a surge in buying interest. At this point, all we can do is observe the dynamic environment of cryptocurrency rules and monitor for developments. And let's put aside our feelings and show some hard data. An extremely concise tweet summarizing the present market conditions has appeared, just days after we smashed previous records, presently 13. Following the smashing of previous records anywhere from 266 to 315 days later. This tweet suggests that the bull market may still have around 300 days to go until it surpasses all-time highs and genuinely reaches its top. While it's thrilling to shatter records, this serves as a sobering reminder that it could be a few months before the full potential of a bull market becomes apparent. Also, the Shiba Inu official team thinks the dog breed could hit a new peak before the Bitcoin halving event, which is less than 30 days away, so we won't forget about them. Considering the tweet's prediction of 300 days of bullish momentum, it's clear that the journey ahead will be full of unexpected turns. Now that we've gotten a better grasp of the crypto market's intricacies, the path ahead should be interesting, especially considering the potential impact of Shiba Inu and other tokens. However, how do you feel about that? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Your comment would be greatly appreciated. If you're interested in learning more, just click on one of the videos displayed. We have reached the final segment of this video. In the event that you found the video entertaining, then hit that like button and then hit that comment button to let us know what you think of the video. Regarding the YouTube algorithm, this is incredibly helpful. The more people you can get to watch this video, the better. We need to spread the word about this. The decline in the value of Shiba Inu is far from ended, and it will not be simple to reverse. Whales are putting 10 trillion Shiba Inu tokens on the line in an attempt to prevent it from collapsing. Only a few short hours ago, this enormous signal took place. Chaos reigns in the cryptocurrency industry. However, what is happening in reality? Allow me to clarify. Just as the cryptocurrency community is getting ready for some rough times, the current market downturn has sent shockwaves through the online world. A possible rough road ahead has investors on edge as cryptocurrency values plummet. Notable Twitter users have the same worries, not the least of which was a tweet from a prominent user that revealed Bitcoin was about to enter what they called the danger zone. There has been a pattern in Bitcoin's history of large retraces in the weeks preceding halving events. With the impending halving, Bitcoin's price is about to plummet in just 32 days. Looking back in the past can help us understand the idea of pre-halving retraces better. Just before the halving in 2016, Bitcoin had a breathtaking 40% fall. When we got to 2020, a 20% retracement caused market shocks. Even while these traces were scary, they were only a stepping stone to the cryptocurrency's eventual comeback. At the moment, Bitcoin is also experiencing a retracement which is similar